Hi guys, I am Disha and welcome to my channel which is all about programming. So this is the last part of the series responsive web design. In the last two videos I have shown you how to create this website using HTML, CSS and how to browse between the pages. But right now this website is not responsive. What I mean by that is if you right click on this website and go to inspect, you can see that there are different options to choose from. So if I choose Galaxy S5 and if I see this website won't look very good on Galaxy S5 and not even on iPhone. So what we want to achieve is this. So this is the complete website, and if I go right click on this and go to inspect, and now if I see on iPhone 6, you can see that this website looks pretty good. So this is what we want to achieve, and in order to achieve this, what we need to do is we need to add media queries. So this is what we will do in this video. So let's get on with the video. In order to make this website responsive, we need to add media queries in style.css. So the basic syntax of media queries is we write @media, then parentheses, and inside the parentheses we have to specify the screen size up to which we want this media queries to be applicable, and then we have curly braces, and inside the curly braces is the CSS rules that we want to get applied. So I'll write max width 880 pixel. So what I mean by max width 880 pixel is if we go back to our website and right click inspect, and here if I type 880, so this is the screen size up to which these media queries will be applicable, and when this width extends more than 880, so if it becomes 881, these media queries won't be applicable. So this is what that means, and now let's start by writing the media queries. So first what I want is on the smaller screens, I don't want this logo to be displayed, so I'll write hash logo, hash because logo had an ID, and we'll write display none, and now we can see the logo is gone. Now what we want is we want the university name to be displayed in the center and should have the width of 100%. So I'll write dot name text align center and width 100%. Let's save it. So now you can see it is centered and it takes a width of 100%. Now we will style the links. So we want each link to be displayed on a new row, so like this. So for that we will write dot nav list ul padding 0. Next nav list ul list, and we want the list to be 100% and text align center. So you can see that's perfect. Now we will style our page blocks. So we want the research and study block to have its own rows. So we will write dot page blocks, and we'll write display inline block, and let's save it and see. So now that's good. We just want this research and study blocks to take a width of 100%. So for that we will write dot research block comma dot study block width 100%. Let's save it and see. So that's good. We just want this there to be a margin on the right side, so we will write margin right 30 pixel. uh, uh, I think these should be here. So yeah, that's good. Next, on the smaller screens, we don't want the student to be displayed, only the slogan. So for that, I'll write dot student display none. Save it. Now the student's gone. Now we want the slogan to be centered. So for that, I'll write dot slogan. Dot slogan. We will write display inline block and width of 100%. Let's save it. So that's good. Now we also want this news blocks to be displayed like these page blocks. So for that, I'll write dot news block display inline block and width 100%. Save it, and now you can see that's perfect. So this is all for the media queries for index.html page. Now we will add media queries for study and research pages. So study and research pages have the same structure. So I'll write the media queries for them together. So for that, I'll write dot project 1, comma project 2, project 3, course name 1, course name 2, course name 3, and I will write display as inline block, and let's save it and see. So now you can see that the image has its own row and the text is on the next row. So now we want to style the image. We want it to take 100% width. So for that, I'll write dot project 1 image, project 2 image, project 3 image, course name 1 image, course name 2 image, course name 3 image, and inside it I will write width 100%. Let's save it and see. So that's good, but you can see that on the right side there is no space between the border and the image. So for that, I will write padding 10 pixel. Let's save it and see. But we don't want this border, so I'll write border 0. Still there's space on the left side, more space on the left side and less space on the right side. So for that, I will write margin 0. So now that's perfect. Also, we can check the research page. So that's good as well. So now let's style our contact page. So because right now that looks good, but if you open it and inspect, and now if you can see this text area is not looking very good. So for that, I'll write text area width, let's say 100 pixel. Let's save it and see. So that's very small, I guess. So let's just increase the size, so maybe 140 pixel. I think that's good. Yeah. So I think we are done with the media queries and uh, our whole website is responsive. So to check this, as I said earlier, you can right click on the website, go to inspect, and here you have different options to see on what device it will look, how it will look on all these devices. So on iPad Pro, it will look like this. On Galaxy S5 like this, iPhone like this. So I think now we have achieved what we wanted. So this is all for this video, and with this we come to the end of our series responsive web design. I hope you learned something from this video and the series overall. So let me know in the comment section below if you want any specific project that I should make, and I will try to do that. And yeah, I am a student as well, and I like to learn this way by making new projects. And if you are a student as well, or if you want to learn new programming languages, then learn along with me. So in order to do that, what you need to do is you need to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload the next video. And yeah, I'll upload very soon, so stay tuned for that, and bye for now.